In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture in Zoom, which will be displayed whenever you're not using your camera. This is extremely helpful in maintaining a professional appearance, especially in situations where turning on your camera is not possible or preferred. We'll be going through the process using both the Zoom web portal and during a meeting. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about how you can upload a profile picture via the Zoom web portal. This method is perfect if you're setting things up beforehand or simply prefer using a stable platform for your configurations. Start by signing in to the Zoom web portal by heading to zoom.us. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on Profile. Here, you'll see your avatar space. Hover over it and you'll notice a pencil icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to upload a new image. You can choose a photo in JPG, PNG, or GIF format, but keep in mind that the file size should not exceed 2 megabytes. Once your image is uploaded, take a moment to crop it if necessary and hit Save. Your profile picture is now set. You'll find it popping up in various places, such as when you're in a meeting with your video turned off, in chat conversations, and alongside your name in participant lists. Now, if you find yourself already in a meeting and need to add or change your profile picture without a working camera, there's no need to worry. Simply locate the Participants button and give it a click. Find your name from the list, hover over it, and click on More. Here, you'll have the option to either add a profile picture if none exists yet, or edit your current profile picture. Just like before, upload your image. Adjust the crop to your liking, and click Save. Your updated profile picture will immediately take effect. Finally, let's address a couple of verification and troubleshooting steps in case your profile picture doesn't appear as expected. A good first step is to sign out and then sign back into the Zoom application to ensure all changes have been properly synced. If that doesn't work, try restarting the Zoom application altogether. This often resolves any lingering issues and ensures your new profile picture is displayed correctly wherever it should be. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily add or change your profile picture on Zoom, whether you're planning ahead or making adjustments on the fly during a meeting. This simple action can enhance your virtual presence and create a more personalized experience for you and those you communicate with. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Zooming.